Collaboration is the backbone of innovation, and large flexible surfaces like whiteboards are the best medium to map out ideas. But in today's hybrid work environment, it's become harder to collaborate using these tools in online meetings. It's hard to see the content you want to show. Remote participants can't collaborate, and you probably have a folder of hard-to-read whiteboards backed up on your phone. With JIBB, all you need to do is aim your meeting room camera or webcam at your whiteboard, and JIBB will turn your device into an artificial eye that will automatically detect your surface and digitize your content on your computer screen in real time. If you're collaborating with WebEx, Zoom, MS Teams or Google Meet, team members that are remote can scan the QR code on the workspace and annotate over your concepts so you can collaborate remotely. JIBB also has an auto capture feature that takes snapshots of your session so you can see how your designs evolve over time. Once the session is wrapped up, you can close the workspace and JIBB will email a copy of your whiteboard snapshots, or you can save it securely to your company's cloud. Don't just collaborate better with JIBB.